Yeah.
Hey everybody, it's Taylor and Ashley, and we're doing our first vlog, I think it's called.
Whatever vlog.
We're doing a vlog,
Doesn't really matter.
just questions. Okay, we don't really have questions, but stuff you might be wondering, we're answering.
Or, no, just stuff about us, because we decided that she's getting a camera for her birthday, and we're going to start doing stuff, and we just want you to enjoy watching us, because it's cool.
And we're pretty awesome people. So,
Sorry for the cockiness.
we want people to look at our videos and be like, shit.
And want to watch us, and want to...
And be like, they would be so fun to hang out with. We are, literally.
Because we look at people like that.
Yeah, that's how we look at people. We watch My Face and, whatever, YouTube, and we are some more Facebook people, but we watch YouTube and we look at people and we're like, oh my god, I can't wait till the next video. So we kind of want to create that kind of aspect. Yes, aspect. Yeah. So, okay, first of all, I'm Taylor. I'm 16.
We live in Canada. Eh?
Like, that's really all there is.
Yeah.
I go to school.
Are you French? What's your background?
I'm English. I can speak 2 words of French, and that's
because of my dad.
Bonjour.
You'll probably see my dad in some of our videos.
Yeah,
he's
French, so he'll be all like, "What are you doing, making videos?" Stuff like that.
So I'm French, partially French. I don't speak French. I understand French. My name's Ashley. I'm 16, turned 17 November, and yeah, I'm partially Italian. Yeah. So, and we live in Canada. Yo, Canada's the best. This is in the U.S. because I know there's a lot of you guys from the States
That are sexy.
and I want to go to the States one day and just shop. I want to go shopping in the States. That's all I want to do. But anyways, it was nice telling you about it. And we're going to have updates. If you guys do ask us questions, we will make videos.
We definitely, I'm sorry, we have lives other than making videos, but basically, we don't. But we do at the same time.
After work, I work at McDonald's.
I work at KFC, so
You come to McDonald's, I'll give you free Big Mac.
just be like, we watch your video and we're like, shit, pay for food, yo.
Here.
Yeah, I'm joking. I can't do that.
I can do it. I'll do it for you. But if you do have questions, we will be glad to answer them.
Yeah, so seriously, watch our videos, ask us questions. We do not want trash talk. Do not even start with us.
I know there's you haters out there. You're probably like, oh, you're wasting my time. If we're wasting your time, just don't watch.
Don't watch, and don't. You're wasting our time.
By reading.
You're wasting of time that you're talking about.
Yeah.
So, first of all, I like any kind of music.
I like rap.
I like country, rap, hip hop, everything, musicals. Call me over, we'll watch musicals. Shit.
Yeah, she likes the musicals.
I love musicals. Me and Ashley are more into rap right now. Hip hop. That's why.
I've always been.
Every song, it will be like ghetto rap, shit like that.
That's cool.
We have been best friends for
Like 2 years now.
almost 2 years.
And we're like sisters.
Yeah, we're really close.
Yo, we've been doing this thing. We're hanging out for a whole week. We've been having sleepovers for like 4 or 5 days now.
Yeah, it's his birthday.
And this is how we start making videos.
That's why we've been making so many. We actually started when we were drunk. We were like,
my feelings start, y'all.
but
we should let them go.
French guy. Okay, bye guys. We love you.